Avery Design and Print Online is a free tool that makes it easy to customize Avery labels, cards, and dividers. We recommend using only genuine Avery products with our design templates, as these designs are formatted specifically for Avery products. Using generic products often leads to printing issues like misalignments. It's also important to choose the right product for your printer type. The front of the Avery package will tell you if it's designed for laser or inkjet printers, or both. On the front of the package, you'll also find the product number to use to be sure you've got the template that matches your product. I'll use Avery 5163 shipping labels for laser printers, but the steps are very similar for other Avery products. When you are ready to get started, go to avery.com/templates. You can also click on the Templates tab on avery.com. Type the Avery product number into the template search bar and select the template. Here's the template page for Avery 5163 labels. The free Avery Design and Print Online software is at the top of the page. This blue I button has more information that you can review before you get started. There are many great easy-to-use features, such as adding and editing images, importing data using mail merge, as well as thousands of pre-designed templates that you can customize. Just click on the red Start Designing button to try it out. We also offer blank templates for the most popular software. The template downloads are here. You can click on the blue eye for more information before you get started. You can see that Avery 5163 labels have blank templates available for several different programs, including Microsoft Word, Apple Pages, and Adobe Creative Cloud programs. Let's talk about the PDF template. Many people use Adobe Reader to view PDF files, but it won't have all of the editing tools and options that you'll need to print templates correctly. For example, trying to print a PDF template through Adobe Reader can cause the template border to appear in the final print. But here's a pro tip. Since the borders do print on the PDF template, you can use this program to print a test sheet instead. Before downloading a template, take a look at this template compatibility area below the download buttons. Here you can see the other Avery products that share the same template layout. Next, we'll click on the button for Microsoft Word. You can see there are two different options, one for wide labels and one for tall labels. Not every Avery product has both of these options for download, but Design and Print Online supports any orientation. Now we'll click on the top Download Template button. In this window, you can sign up for a free Avery account, sign into your existing account, or download as a guest. You won't see this window if you're already signed into your Avery account. Just provide your email, name, and a password to create an account. If you would prefer to download as a guest, just click this button and enter your email address. You can also choose whether or not to receive emails from Avery, and then you will acknowledge that you will use this template only for genuine Avery products. Since we already have an account, we'll close this window, click to download again, and sign into an account. There's also a My Account button at the top of the page where you can sign in. Once we're signed in, the template will begin downloading. For this video, we're using the Chrome browser, and you can see that the file appears at the bottom left of the screen. In Safari, Edge, and Firefox, it will usually appear at the top right. If you don't see the file, but you see this success message, use these tips for finding the file in your Downloads folder. On a Windows computer, you can hold down Ctrl and J at the same time to open your download folder. If you are using a Mac, hold down Command and Option and L at the same time. Once you find your template, double-click the file to open it. In Word, you'll probably need to click the option to enable editing. Then you'll see the top toolbar with the editing options for customizing your template. If you need more help with how to format your Avery labels using Word, check out our videos and articles at avery.com/word. You can also follow the same steps to download a template for a different program. Just click on the software icon to see the templates that are available. Then, click Download Template and open your template. Visit avery.com/help for more details or to contact our Care Center team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.